Greetings guys. In this video of how to use ZYNG AI, I'm going to show you guys how we can use our generate background function. This is one of our interesting functions when used at scale and also individually can give great results. So let's first select a file that we would want to try this workflow for. I'm going to quickly go ahead and select a bottle of perfume. Let's say that I have as a sample. So let's say we have a photo of this bottle of perfume and we want to place this in a nice environment. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the background, of course. So remove and clip background. Then we're going to add some margin. Within the margin, we put in our details. Let's say 2000 by 2000. Give margin space of 20% as I've selected, and an alignment of center and center. So I know like this is the placement that I have. I can also edit it, alter it the way I want, and then go ahead and go to generate background. As soon as you go to generate background, you will actually prompt something here. So let's say you have to think of a place where you want this bottle to be placed and around something as well, for example. So let's say I say placed on a wooden table, or let's say placed on a marble table in front of a or around flowers. Let's say real photo and depth of field. So I'm adding some of these semantics just to kind of make sure that it gets a real understanding. And let's say this is a perfume bottle. Save. As soon as I save, it will start kind of generating the background. This takes a little longer, but there we have the bottle of perfume placed around flowers, for example. Now, if we don't want it around flowers and we want a natural environment, then say placed on a wooden log in a forest. Say real photo and early morning. Let's say we wanted it. Now it will kind of give us that background. Okay, so it is kind of uniquely placed it here. There's a forest in the background. If I want to kind of change the product and see what this prompt would look like, probably for another product in that case. So let's select this bottle of perfume and see what it does. So as you see, the workflow is kind of removed the background, added the required margin, and kind of generated the background to it as well, giving it like this surreal look. Let's try this for a human being, for example. And let's see, we change the prompt to human being in a forest. This is also a good prompt actually that they gave us. There you go. So now you like this kind of a prompt, for example. This would be very well apt for, let's say, a natural product like this one, where it's not necessarily a human being, but we have a product that we're trying to showcase in this natural environment. So to give it like this kind of a feel as well. So I hope you guys understand the objective of generate background. Once you have done this, you save the workflow name. You can use this, create this workflow quickly. Then you can go ahead, use this workflow, upload a few images, which I'm going to do. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try these 7 images and process them. The workflow is created, our upload status is on, we can track everything right at the bottom of the screen. You can also minimize it. As soon as I do that, I can see the upload status, all the images are ready to be uploaded. We started processing the images. We click on the I button to start seeing our results. We can refresh and see like more of the images coming as they start processing here. So we have some very, very interesting outputs for everything that is like was prompted to be in this way, but has given us like a unique yet similar background sticking to the prompt. So that is the idea of being able to use the generate background function in Zing. Thank you.